car seat is made out of three very important aspects. First, you get the body of the car seat, you get the harness assembly, and then you get the upholstery of the car seat. So let's start with the body of a seat, because this is the very important bit. In infant and toddler seats, this is the weight-bearing part of the seat, meaning this will physically keep your child safe during a crash. And it is very important that this is very well designed, not just for the comfort of your child, but to keep your child safe during a crash when your car seat is expected to perform like it should. Now let's look at all the different parts here. So the body of the car seat, here we have the headrest that gives you side impact protection. You've got these shoulder protection bits down the side, which gives your child a safe space to sit within. This here is for shock absorption during a crash on a side impact, so that it doesn't feed through to your child's body. And then of course here on the side of the hips to keep your child safe. On the inside you'll see this white sponge. Some car seats have styrofoam in here, and this is very important because this absorbs the shocks of that crash before it feeds through to your child's body. Remember, we don't want those jarring movements of a crash to feed into your child's body as they sit inside the seat. So this is extremely important that this is here. Then we get to the buckle of the seat. Now this is the harness assembly, the harness that goes over your child's body. This is a certified width that a harness must be, and the buckle here is also of a strength that a child of under the age of 3 should not be able to open. Now, you cannot change a buckle between car seats. This one is specifically designed to go with this seat, meaning the buckle stalk length and the length of the harness is designed to fit the dimensions of the seat. So if your buckle breaks, best you get a new replacement from your distributor. Don't buy a universal one, because there is no such thing as a universal car seat buckle. Then we get to the upholstery of your car seat. Again, this is made of material with sponge on the inside. And this is not just for the comfort of your child, but again, that very important function of absorbing the crash force before it feeds through to your child's body. Now, as you can see, this can come off the car seat. You can clean this by washing it in a gentle wash, like you would wash your baby's clothes, and hang it out to dry. All these bits fit over your car seat like this to make up your complete car seat. Then we come to the shoulder pads as well as the buckle protector. Buckle protector is very, very important so that you don't have a hard metal bit eating into your child or crunching into your child during a crash. So this is to protect your child's body from the buckle. And also that buckle gets very hot in the sun. It is black, it absorbs heat and can give your child burns. So keep this buckle protector on. It is very, very important that it is over your buckle. Here we have the shoulder pads, and it is there to provide comfort for your child so they don't feel the sharp edges of the harness chafing against them. But also very importantly, it has a rubbery bit on the inside. And that is the side that presses against your child's body when it is installed and keep it in place. And it prevents your child from getting out of the harness once the harness is tightened. When your harness is buckled in like this, it forms a continuous loop with a pull strap here in the front. So when you push this button down, observe there, now you can pull at the strap, see that your pull strap comes shorter, and then if you need to shorten your harness again, you pull this here, and it basically moves backwards and forwards like that underneath your seat to make sure that your harness always fits your child snugly. Now we come to the infant inserts that is part of the seat. Remember, this is the seat that covers both the infant and the toddler stage of the seat. So for during the infant part of the seat, these things need to be in here. This goes into that corner over there to give a nice even surface for your baby's body to lie on. And of course, these inserts go there to make sure that your infant has a very safe space in there. Usually these can be taken out at around 6 months, but consult your car seat instruction manual to make sure for your specific seat when you can take that out. And then we can put all of these things back onto this and you will have a car seat as you know it.
Thank you for watching. If you have a car seat your child has outgrown, consider donating it at your nearest SuperQuick. Together with Wheelwell, we can help protect children and save lives. For more information, visit superquick.com or wheelwell.co.za.